Okay, so this is a little bit, I don't want to use the word depressing. Is this, we put a lot of work into this, and we really wanted to use it tomorrow because we have a family function taking place and wanted to bring people back here. So this wasn't on the to-do list for today, but we need to figure this out. I got to get the chainsaw working, and we need to get this cleaned up. If we don't and we leave it, it's not going to happen this year. I'm already back in semi-work mode, and
Yeah.
I get tired after being at work for 8 to 10 hours, and
Then the weekend comes and we need to recuperate.
yeah,
So.
and then before you know it's winter.
Mhm.
So I think we're going to go back up and try to get the chainsaw working, and because really I only need a few cuts. I think that one over there I could probably push with the tractor. Here, if I just get a couple cuts on this big thing and just push it out of the way, and you could come out here with your little chainsaw and get some of the smaller stuff. I don't think it'll take as much as over there, because those we were digging them out of the ground and everything. These are at least right
Fresh.
now, if we get it while it's fresh, it's not going to get embedded into the ground. If we wait till winter, then that's a problem. Why aren't you on camera? I'm talking to you.
I know. But I didn't put my hat on.
Yeah, your hair. All
And
right.
my hair, I didn't like do my hair. Not that I do my hair, but I figured
Let's
I'd
go
have a
see if
hat
we can
on.
get this chainsaw running.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So I used the little chainsaw and I cleaned up all the brush along here while Sean was fixing the other chainsaw. Then when he was done, he cut up the end here. We're going to leave the rest for a while. We want to make sure we get through the stuff in the back before we cut the rest of this up. We're just going to push this off to the side so we can get back there and get the entire trail opened up. But all of these branches came off. I chopped them all up and put them over here. I have 3 distinct piles. I've got the long, big, thick branches that we can cut into smaller sections on the sawbuck. I've got the branches that have no leaves, and I have the branches that have leaves. I probably should have cut these ones up a little bit more so that they could go directly into a fire at some point, but I just wanted them out of the way. But I definitely got that nice and cleared up so we can get back there again. So now it's time for lunch. We'll have some lunch. And as we're having our lunch, Sean is going to go check out the pumpkins and watermelons. And I think I'm going to head over and check them out with him. How are they doing, sweetie? Wow. Look at the pumpkins. They're doing amazing. Here's the other batch of pumpkins. They also are taking nicely. Is that maybe a look of a flower maybe gonna start at the peak, or is that another branch that'll grow? I don't know. Let's check it out in a few days. All right, and here's our watermelons. First batch. And then these ones. Oh wow, there's a couple of them in here that are really taking off. Nice.
So we know that our planters work. It's just we got them planted late.
Yeah, but we knew that too.
We know that they'll work, so pretty cool. I'll get around in here with the weed eater.
Okay. But our tree doesn't look like it made it.
No, tree's gonna have to come out.
The tree that we tried to transplant, I see nothing left alive on it.
Although there looks like some new growth down there. At the bottom.
At the very bottom. Well, maybe we'll cut the branches off, or maybe we'll leave it till next spring. What do you think?
You could take the dead off, cut the dead off. That's what you just said. Use your little chainsaw, cut the dead off, because if the dead gets in the trunk, it'll kill it.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
All right, let's go finish lunch so we can get back to work. Oh yeah. There's our little tiger lilies sprouted as well. Well, technically, I think they're day lilies, but I call them tiger lilies because they're orange. But it does look like somebody was eating these ones.
Really?
Mm-hmm. All right, I guess I lied. I guess he is going to cut some more up.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting down. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on. Looking out the window, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day,
All right, so it's all chopped up. Sean's gonna go get the bucket. We're gonna put these pieces in the bucket and put them over on the cement pad in front of the rundown cabin so that they don't get all yucky. But they need split before they could go on our pile there for the fires. And then we're gonna head back into the woods, going back there to do the same thing to those trees down in the back.
Bug spray. All right, so we got that big branch up there by the shed all cleaned up. Now we're back here to try to tackle some of this nightmare. Mary's gonna try to get me a couple of spots where I could get in here and do some relief cuts with the big chainsaw and push these branches out of the way. And we probably should just have to do like maybe one cut here, and then I could be able to push those. And then, because this right here is the path, and then this one, maybe 2 cuts, like one in here and one over there. Get rid of the center and then push this to the sides, and we'll call it a day. But look at all this, what a mess. Marianne loves her little chainsaw though.
I can't wait for you to stop talking so I could like not.
Oh, go ahead.
All right. This second, like I'm playing that game you like to play, because I'm like literally going down going down the track. Stuck in my neck.
You're standing on it.
One of them was stabbing me. I didn't do this part yet. I guess I gotta do this part.
Sorry, I just want to cut in the middle, right?
Yeah.
No, both sides.
Okay.
I don't think this is the cat. Not now. You're gonna have to take that arm off. Okay. It's because it's so heavy.
You almost got it. No, I think you need both of us.
Something in that. Seeing sparks.
I'll meet you back.
You gotta meet me back, and you should have a clear path. Now, I want to say something before we leave. So, if you're finding this video to be like a how-to video, how to deal with storm damage and logs down, we do have some experience at doing this. It's overwhelming when you see just mass destruction like this. But the only thing you have to do is break it down. Marianne came in first with her little chainsaw, got all the small stuff out of the way, and that, well, 2-3 inch stuff out of the way. Then we took the chainsaw, made some relief cuts with the chainsaw, got the chainsaw stuck. But because the way these are laying, you need, I try to be as careful as possible. I use wedges and things like that, but it does happen. Because when you cut a log that's laying, as you're cutting it, it's going to pinch your blade. So you just got to watch that. Or the lifter help, that type of thing. And then the tractor, you can see how easy it was with having the relief cuts and everything, just pushing everything out of the way. Now, if this was like our yard or like up front where the thing was, I would take the time and buck these up, and these would be firewood. But as of right now, we'll come back later after this stuff dries out a little bit, maybe in the spring, buck all this stuff up. We now bring the log splitter back here and just haul out firewood. But don't get overwhelmed. It is overwhelming. Just be careful, because these things are heavy, aren't they?
They are.
Because they're green. You know,
yeah.
So, okay, I'll meet you up there.
Okay.
Okay.
And just like that, the path is cleared.
That was a little bit easier than what I thought. Hopefully you could hear us because the wind's picking up here a little bit. But we got the trail back open.
We did.
We did.
We did.
A little bit of determination. Not exactly what we planned on doing when we came out here today.
It is not what we planned on doing at all.
So we're going to do a couple other things. We're not going to get to the grass today. Maybe tomorrow.
Yep.
It's just getting late. The sun's going down on us. But how long were we out here?
About 3.5 hours or so.
Yeah, we had 4 down trees that we
cut up,
moved,
trimmed up, moved.
Yeah, I'm sure Marianne's got. That's just one. These weren't really trees; they were branches
of trees
from trees.
Yeah.
So if we had an actual tree down on the trail, there would be no trail. We'd have to.
Yeah, especially that one tree, the 5th tree, the one that didn't fall on the trail. That one's huge.
We
would
wouldn't
have
be
to
able
go
to
around
handle
it
that.
and make a new trail.
And I don't even know what we would do, because, yeah, you're right. We'd have to go around and make another path, because we couldn't get anybody out here to cut that. And that would take a huge chainsaw and probably a crew. And the only way to justify like having somebody come out for that is if it was the driveway.
Yeah.
But yeah. So I'm sure in the future we're going to have more of these.
Yeah.
Because that's just the nature of nature.
Yep.
You know, I see several that's just like hanging on. But
this one here is the one I'm concerned about right here.
Yeah. But
you know.
All right. Anything else you want to add to this video?
Nope, that's about it. We got it done.
All right, folks. Hey, make sure you check us out on Instagram. Just Instagram. Search for Donley Cove. We'll be posting pictures out there. I saw you taking a bunch of pictures.
I took
some
some
pictures. Post them later?
Yeah.
All right, and also check out our hauntedtravels.com. So till next time.
Thanks for watching.
And happy hunting.